Hello you guys, hope you're doing well and welcome to our very first vlog here from Croatia. We made it to one of the most stunning cities here in the country, and this is Rovinj. Such a pearl at the Adriatic Sea. Around the city are these areas where you can swim. A few places are left. Water looks pretty insane. Quite hot today, 30 degrees. Let's have a swim. What a lovely swim that was. So there are just rocks over there, so there's no classic beach with sand, but still beautiful. A bit cold, but just refreshing. We got 30 degrees, so definitely worth a swim. Yeah, look at this beauty.
Tartufo.
Truffles.
It's perfect.
It's
very
good, yeah? And what is better than natural ice cream for dessert? And let's get some. One of my favorites so far. Also the ice cream. So see you guys tomorrow. The morning is always my favorite part. Coming out, having some coffee, and no one is around, so you got alleys like this to yourself. What you see over here is the harbor of Rovinj, and when you walk into this side, you got all these fish restaurants. I think they are very expensive over there. Also the harbor is very beautiful. You got these houses over there, which are so nice. What a lovely breakfast this is. We get some fresh fruits, a basket with croissant and baguette, jam, butter, honey, some yogurt with cereals and strawberries. Sun is coming out. It's also right next to the church, this cute little cafe over there. It's also possible to go up to the tower. It opens at 10 AM in the morning and it costs 3 euros. I think a very cool experience here in Rovinj. Unfortunately, we don't have much more time to stay here for longer, but I really would. We are driving now to Pula, which is like a 40-minute drive from here. So guys, we made it to the city of Pula here in Croatia, and we are just checked into our apartment for this night with a lovely view to the harbor. There's an old shipwreck, which is pretty cool, and right there is the Pula Arena. Right here we got the Pula Arena, which looks like the Colosseum of Rome. Of course, one of the most famous landmarks here in Pula. Pula is the largest city in Istria county, and it's also the 7th largest city in all over Croatia. Another very famous building here in Pula is the Arch of Sergi, or Arch of the Sergi, and it's a gate into the city of Pula. So guys, we made it to Hook and Cook and get in some fish and chips. Right behind me is the Temple of Augustus, 40 meters high and wide over 2000 years old. We are standing here on the Piazza Forum, which is like the old main square of Pula. You can also do some dolphin tours. You can book them here at the harbor. You can also book them in Rovinj. I'm not really sure if you really see some, but you can do them. And if you do them, maybe you can tell us if you saw some dolphins. We went for a little swim here at the beach near Pula. It's also a very beautiful one, and Pula has a big coastline. No sand, just very rocky and quite cold for the end of May. Good morning guys, here from Pula. We just got up. It's nearly 7 AM. This is our car park right next to the Pula Arena. We are leaving now, driving to our next destinations, some waterfalls, and then to Ham, Kortli, Rijeka, and at the end of the day we hopefully arrive at the island of Kirk. So let the adventure start.